Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit your crypto on Pocket Option. The first thing I want you to do is log into Pocket Option account, and then you just come here on the left hand panel, you click on Finance, and then you have the deposit section. Now here you choose your deposit method, whatever crypto you want. For example, let's say you want Bitcoin. Come here, select Bitcoin, and then you enter your amount that you want to go ahead and deposit, and then click here, continue and pay $100 worth of Bitcoin, for example. So that's the amount we've selected. Then click on continue, and what you want to do is go to your exchange, whatever platform you're on, go ahead and, you know, copy this address, okay, via the Bitcoin network, and you want to transfer this amount. Of course, you can go ahead and scan this as well, and once you're done with that, it will automatically register. It will process and identify that you have deposited that amount, okay, and it will reflect on your account right here. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.